Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the Canon booth at PhotoPlus 2019, where Canon has officially just announced a development announcement for the 1DX Mark III. Check it out.
DIY Photography's coverage of PhotoPlus 2019 is sponsored by Luminar, an AI-powered photo editor. PhotoPlus, immerse yourself in the world of photo and video. Cozy Speed, the fastest camera bags in the world. And Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So just to be clear guys, Canon has announced that they're developing the camera. It's a big difference from an actual announcement. This means that they're working on it. It doesn't mean they're giving us any concrete information. We were speaking to somebody who knows all about the product and the information was really limited. Basically what we have on the wall is what we get in terms of information. There's a bunch of new things going on here, everything from a new processor to new focusing, higher video quality, AF detection, the whole 9 yards. It's being super improved. Unfortunately, because this is just an announcement of development, it means that we don't have all the information right here. We couldn't speak to somebody about more than what's written on the wall, but there is a lot of information on the wall that we can take advantage of, and we will be bringing those up in the article that goes with this video. You can see right here though, they do tell us that this is a working model. They also mentioned that if you click it, it takes pictures, so it must be in working condition. It means development is in a serious stage. We can expect to see this camera sometime. We also been told that 2020 is going to be a very interesting year. I can also tell you that while we were talking to them, we expressed our importance that the camera is a hybrid camera, and they agreed. They said that they're taking video much more seriously. We can see that they do mention 4K, 60p, 422, 10-bit. They mentioned that we can say that it is only specific to 4K, and that raw movie internal recording is actually something else. They won't tell us exactly what it is. I will say they are changing it from CFast to CF Express. These are much faster cards. They can handle a lot more data, so do be excited for that. The last thing Canon was talking to us about was how we can get pictures out of the camera as fast as possible. It's not the first time we hear it here at PPE. A lot of people are trying to solve the problem of getting it out as fast as we can, and we know the 1DX series has always sported the Ethernet. This is the first in the series to sport also Wi-Fi built in, so we can be excited about image transfer for that. So as of right now, there's no price or availability that they're willing to give us. What I can say is we agreed to talk again at NAB. We hope to hear something a little bit before that. Maybe we can even get our hands on one at NAB, start playing around with it, see how we feel about it. Till then, I'm Adam Frimmer from DIYPhotography.net. Don't forget, we have a giveaway that's going on. You can read more about that in the description below.